In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Klaviyo. First of all, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you are inside, head over to the campaign section from the left-hand side menu, or scroll down and click on Templates to go to your email templates. From here, you can open the email where you want to add a new font to your text. I'm going to select this template, but you could also go into one of your campaigns if you want to add the font there. Either way, you'll arrive at the page where you design your email. Once you're here, scroll down to the section where you want to add text and drag a text block from the left-hand side menu. To make changes to it, click on the pencil icon beside the text block and begin editing. When your text is ready, it's time to add a font. Make sure the text is selected, then look at the menu bar in Klaviyo, where you will see a drop-down for fonts. Click on it and you'll notice Klaviyo already provides some built-in fonts. If you want to add another one, click on Add Font. Now you'll see several options. You can select from Google Fonts, where you will find a wide variety to choose from. You also have the option to import fonts from Adobe Fonts. Or you can select Import Font. However, you'll notice that Klaviyo does not allow you to upload a font directly from your device. Instead, you need to provide the source address of the font. To make this possible, you need to first upload your font file to a website and then paste its link into Klaviyo. If you don't already have a website, you can use GitHub. To do this, open a new tab and search for GitHub, then click on the first result. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one by clicking on the Sign Up button at the top right and following the on-screen instructions. Once you've created your account, click on the plus icon at the upper right-hand side and select New Repository. Enter the repository name and description, then click on Create Repository. On the next screen, click on the Uploading an Existing File link and upload your font file from your device. Once the upload is complete, scroll down and click Commit Changes. After that, click on your uploaded font file name to open it. You'll see the file URL at the top of your browser. Copy this URL, but before pasting it into Klaviyo, you need to make some small changes. Remove the word GitHub and replace it with raw.github user content, and also remove /blob from the path. Once you've made these changes, the URL is ready. Go back to Klaviyo, paste it into the source address field, and fill in additional fields such as the font name, its weight, style, and a backup font in case the main one doesn't load. Then click on Add Font. Wait a few seconds, and you'll see the new font applied to your text. This is the complete method to add fonts to Klaviyo.